Hello everyone, thanks for showing interest in this video. As we promised, today we are going to see the unboxing of Zebronics Juke Bar 9700. Before unboxing, let's see what all we have in the box. So we have a nice Kritik Roshan branding over there, and Dolby Atmos, Dolby True HD, Digital Plus, Surround 4K HDR. That means it's capable of transferring 4K video to the TV. It has two HDMI port, optical in, and it says the name of 9700 Pro Dolby Atmos Juke Bar. The same information present over here as well. Wow, it has 16.51 cm subwoofer, aux, USB. It has a Bluetooth version 5.0, optical in and HDMI port. We have a nice Zebronics for Life branding. And let's go to the back side. And these are the information of the soundbar. Okay, without wasting any time, let's do the unboxing. Just like half an hour back, we got the delivery of the soundbar. We ordered within 20 minutes of the product launch. Okay, now we are going to see the product, how it's gonna look. The package is looking nice. Yeah, we have actually unpacked the soundbar, and we have a optical cable, remote, battery, user manual, some wall mounting screws and aux cable, and power cable as well. So if you see in the soundbar, we have Zebronics logo, Dolby Atmos branding, and some buttons. In the back, if you see, we have optical input, aux, USB, output for subwoofer, and HDMI 1 and 2 and HDMI output ARC. So how this actually works is, for example, if you have an Xbox, the Xbox input will go to HDMI 1, and then the output will go to the TV, and it has a 4K resolution. And we have a subwoofer over here. Now we have unboxed everything, and we have connected the woofer and all the necessary items. Let's turn on the soundbar for the first time. Okay, it's giving the welcome running over there, and let's try to pair. Let's try to connect it with the Bluetooth. That shows Zep Juke Bar. Okay, now you can see the Bluetooth is connected. Let's play music and see how it's performing. Increase the volume. Guys, you would have heard how good the soundbar is sounding. Guys, this is just a Bluetooth connective demo. Actually, it won't make justice if we just do a Bluetooth for a Dolby Atmos soundbar. In the next video, we definitely gonna sync this with Xbox and gonna demo the real Dolby Atmos. And thanks for coming and thanks for watching this video. And if you guys like this video, please share, comment and subscribe. And if you guys have any doubt about the soundbar or any doubt related to the sound, Atmo, Dolby Digital or Dolby Atmos, please put your query in below. We will definitely try to answer as soon as possible. And thanks for watching. It's really a big thing for me. Thanks a lot.